Motion is everywhere around us, from amusement park rides to the simple daily activities. The way objects move is explained by Newton's law of motion, which describes how force, mass, and acceleration interact. In this video, we will explore real-life example of these laws, including riding a Ferris wheel, pushing a grocery cart, moving in an elevator, rowing a boat, and lifting weights at the gym. This everyday situation help us understand how peace. When riding a Ferris wheel, even if your speed stay constant, your direction is always changing. A change in direction is type of acceleration called centripetal acceleration, which always points toward the center of the wheel. Centripetal force, provided by the structure of the rides, keeps you moving in a circular path. Without it, you would move in a straight line because of inertia, according to Newton's first law. This is a clear example of circular motion and centripetal force in real life.
Pushing a grocery cart. On screen, when we push a grocery, can we apply a force to make it accelerate forward? According to Newton's second law, force equals mass times acceleration. This means if can heavier items, we need to apply more for achieve the same speed. It also shows why acceleration depends on both the mass of the object and the force applied. This a simple everyday example of Newton's second law of in action.
So, when the elevator go up, our body feels like heavier. When the elevator go down, our body feels like lighter. This happens because of the accelerations of the elevator change force acting on our body. Even though our mass stays the same, the force we feel is changes. This is a real life example of accelerations and decelerations in motion.
When rowing a boat, we push the water backward with our oars. Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The water pushes the boat forward with the same force we apply backward. The harder we push, the faster the boat accelerate. This demonstrates both action, reaction, and the relationship of force, mass, and acceleration in real life.
When lifting a barbell, the heavier it is, the more force is needed to accelerate it upward. This is exampled by Newton's second law, F equal m times a, where mass and acceleration determine and force request. If you want to lift heavier wrist at the same speed, you must exert more force. This is we and understand the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration is important in everyday activity like exercising.
I just had to let you know you're She had me been bullshit.